That's our secret.
Oh, rupanya bagian beef chuck itu bisa dipakai bagian flat iron itu.
Berkat Profesor, aku jadi tahu nih potongan-potongan sapi, nggak cuma tenderloin sirloin.
I am so excited for all of you to have the opportunity to learn how to cut it and then to show us all the different ways we can use to cook the flat iron. Let's look at what we've got. Come forward, make sure you can see. I am so excited for all of you to have the opportunity to learn how to cut it and then to show us all the different ways we can use to cook the flat iron. Let's look at what we've got. Come forward, make sure you can see. Okay, this is our top blade. On the outside is the fat that's on the outside of the animal, and on the inside is that connective tissue or sinew which ties this muscle to the shoulder blade. And so we want to remove those portions to make sure that we have just the best parts left to eat. So the first thing we do is we remove that extra fat. That fat's really important as we raise the animal and deposit the marbling that we want. But when it comes to the flat iron steak, we no longer need to have this outside fat in the muscle itself. It's the marbling inside the muscle that matters.
Profesor Calkins, bersihin extra fat dan extra muscle-nya itu kelihatan mudah sih, tapi kira-kira aku bisa nggak ya?
So there's an extra muscle here on the top, on each side. So you want to be sure that any of these extra muscles are removed. They don't have the same eating quality as a flat iron, and so we want to be sure that we take advantage of the characteristics of the flat iron, but to do that, we've got to be sure it's pure flat iron and nothing else.
Wah, kelihatannya sih gampang, tinggal seret, sekali tarik gini.
Now, in addition to these muscles on the outside, or this tissue on the outside, there's actually a sheet or a sinew of connective tissue that goes the whole length of the muscle. And so we need to separate that out. Now, if you do this right, as you're working, you should be able to see that seam inside.
Motong bagi dua sih jadi butterfly cut gampang, tapi begitu lihat banyak muscle-nya, kayaknya susah.
So when we do that, it exposes that tissue, right? So the next step would be that we will then take the time to actually remove that connective tissue on each side of the flat iron.
Bagian butterfly cut-nya kayaknya agak tricky nih, soalnya Profesor Calkins kan agak susah tuh nyari tengah-tengahnya. Tapi begitu dia dapet, langsung aja set, hilang, udah bersih.
So when we have done that, thank you, you will have two flat pieces of meat, and then you should have that sinew that I've removed out of the middle that we will discard. Any questions? Yes?
Does it have to be one piece?
No, you can take that out in multiple pieces, up to you. As long as it's not in here and it's clean when you get it out. All right, let's take the next step then and start the challenge.
Thank you so much Profesor Calkins karena udah diajarin cara motong flat iron steak. Cara-caranya, tahap-tahapnya itu bakal berguna banget sih buat aku.
Alright, Professor, thank you so much for doing the demonstration. They are very lucky to be able to learn that from you. And I guess that brings us to our first challenge. Kita akan langsung ke tantangan kalian yang pertama. Di bootcamp kali ini akan dibagi menjadi 3 stage.
Ini apa lagi nih? Satu saja terselesai-selesain dong, kasih 3. Ancur.
Untuk di stage pertama, seperti yang sudah dicontohkan oleh Profesor Calkins, kalian akan mendapatkan 1 top blade utuh, whole. Dan tugas kalian adalah untuk membersihkan fat, muscle, or sinew yang ada di bagian eksterior dari whole blade tersebut. Beberapa yang gagal akan langsung ke elimination test. Dan di stage kedua, kalian yang telah berhasil membersihkan whole blade kalian dengan baik, kalian harus memotong whole blade tersebut di butterfly cut sampai kalian memiliki 2 potongan flat iron steak yang layak dan baik. Dan sama halnya dengan stage pertama, beberapa dari kalian yang gagal akan langsung ke elimination test.
Di stage ketiga, bagi kalian yang bisa mencapai stage ketiga, kalian akan menimbang hasil potongan flat iron steak kalian sekitar 230 gram. Dan beberapa dari kalian yang sangat melenceng beratnya tentunya akan langsung masuk ke elimination test juga.
Sepanjang itu, stage-stage kita untuk memperjuangkan nama di apron ini memang berat sih, cuman aku yakin lah aku bisa.
Aku nggak mau gagal lah di step-stepnya, karena sedikit melakukan kesalahan, aku pasti akan masuk ke elimination test.
Kalian beruntung. Di sini kita bocorkan elimination testnya adalah kalian harus memasak. Ini adalah babak penentuan kalian. Bagi yang gagal-gagal, untuk masih mendapat kesempatan bisa masuk ke Galeri MasterChef Indonesia. Kalian akan memasak beef yang sudah kalian potong tersebut.
Yang
Jelas?
sudah jelas gagal.
Jelas ya? Remember, this is beef from Nebraska, very good quality. You got the education, you got the fun, you got to work with it. So, please, tolong semaksimal mungkin. Jelas? Yes, Chef! Waktu kalian untuk mengolah adalah 10 menit.
Waduh, waktunya cuma 10 menit nih buat ngetrim daging. Kira-kira saya teh bisa nggak ya?
10 menit cukup lah, jadi nggak usah buru-buru lah.
Jika waktu sudah habis, kalian harus angkat tangan, letakkan pisau dengan baik, dan tidak boleh lagi touch the beef atau menyentuh dagingnya ya. Jelas? Yes, Chef! Waktu kalian 10 menit dimulai dari sekarang.
Pada stage pertama, kontestan harus men-trimming bagian luar daging agar lolos ke stage berikutnya.
Bootcamp kali ini kayaknya nggak bakal mudah deh.
Pokoknya aku harus lolos karena aku nggak mau dilempar ke elimination test.
Semakin dekat dengan tantangan dan semakin aku deg-degan.
Stage pertama nge-trimming lemaknya daging dan cuma dikasih waktu 10 menit. Kira-kira cukup nggak ya itu? Aduh, gemes banget sih waktunya. Dikit banget.
Ambil daging ke bench aku langsung trim itu semua fat muscle yang udah aku lihat kayak Profesor Kalkin lakuin.
Percobaan pertama kayak aku salah pisau deh. Setelah pakai pisau yang lain itu agak mudah, tapi ada sisa-sisa dari pisau yang sebelumnya, jadi agak jelek beef aku.
Aduh, ternyata daging yang aku ambil udah ada robekannya. Semoga nggak apa-apa ya.
Aku lihat dagingku ternyata tebel banget dibandingin sama yang lain. Terus dia sinusnya tuh banyak banget. Aduh, aku bisa nggak ya?
Melihat potongan daging saya teh meni khawatir karena bentukannya tuh nggak sama kayak yang didemoin.
Ngetrim dagingnya tuh mulus banget. Tiba-tiba ada satu kejengklekan, aku ngerobek dagingnya. Oh my God.
Tapi aku tetap harus nge-make sure apakah masih ada muscle-muscle karena profesor juga ngingetin banyak hidden muscle. Jadi aku elus-elus, aku pegang-pegang mana bagian yang masih aku harus trimming.
So, all right, we were walking around, see briefly what they're doing.
Yes.
So you got a glance, right?
of what they're doing
Yeah.
and what's happening.
what's happening, which one is
First
probably
thing
on
I
the right.
noticed, they're using different types of knives
Yes,
to
they are.
begin with.
Berbagai cara dan posisi udah aku coba biar dagingnya gak salah kepotong.
But if time is up, they're all still cutting. What is going on? Are they not stopping the process?
No, the time still is running.
Oh, I think there have been some challenges trying to identify those extra muscles and so forth, but that's everybody.
Gak semudah waktu lihat demonya profesor ya. Ya wes lah. Penting aku bersihin aja semuanya dari balik-baliknya juga.
If they're done, they can just stop.
Yeah, of course, yes. Yes, and I think everybody has that challenge, including myself. But it looks to me like there's some that have done a really nice job here, and there are some that not so much.
Yeah, I got the challenge.
I think there'll be a variation in quality of the cuts when we're done.
So I think it's almost 10 minutes. We can
All right, yeah.
go to the front and stop the time. And you're gonna go do the assessment.
Yeah.
Ternyata jurinya keliling. Waduh, gimana dong? Ntar kalau gagal, kalau gini overthinking pokoknya.
Jadi yang tadi awalnya udah pede, dagingnya tuh aku liatin lagi. Aman nggak ya? Aman nggak ya?
Semoga mereka suka trimmingan beef aku sih.
Sepuluh, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Okay, all right, we go.
All right, we follow you. And you can give a little explanation if they're doing something bad or something good.
Okay.
You know, just a very briefly one. Siapa namanya?
Some of them have that defect. Sometimes it happens.
Setelah si profesor lihat dagingku, ini aku masih percaya diri, dagingku masih bisa lolos.
Sedikit sih otot yang tertinggal nggak kelihatan, tapi bisa kali ya Prof lolos. Thank you.
Okay, good, thank you.
Hi Chef.
Very nice. All right, please. Okay, thank you.
Thank you Chef.
Halo, Prof.
Yeah.
Halo, Chef.
Yeah, nice job. Okay. I appreciate this, so I can see what you've been doing.
Thank you, Professor.
Yes? There we go.
Hello Chef.
Hi there. All right. Yes, can you roll it over? Okay, and can you turn it around for me, this way? All the way. Thank you.
Seneng banget, ternyata aku dibilang oke. Thank you.
All right. And can you roll that over for me? Okay, yes. Now see, this is not his fault. Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, Chef.
Halo Chef, halo Professor.
Hello. All right, good. Can you, please? All right. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi Chef.
Hi there.
Hi Prof. Hello
Okay,
Chef.
just a minute. Okay. Now turn. Again, that's the, all right, thank you.
Thank you Chef. Thank you Prof.
Hi there.
Hi Prof. Hello Chef.
Okay. And can you roll that over for me? This is always the hard part here. Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Oh.
Hi there.
Yes, sir.
There you go. Good. Can you turn for me? Good. Thank you.
Kamu siapa? Kiki.
Kiki. Ini gue nggak keluarin.
All right. Yes. Next. All right. Thank you. Again. That's a good one. Let's see. Hi there.
Hai.
All right. So tell me about this. Oh, I see. Yes. All right.
Ternyata dagingku nggak terlalu rapi nih menurut Profesor Kalkin. Aduh, aku bakal lolos nggak ya?
Okay. Thank you.
Halo Chef, halo
Hi
Profesor.
there. Teddy, how are you?
I'm good ya. Chef dan Profesor Kalkin datang. Oh my God, deg-degan banget sih.
Can you turn that this way?
Just that way?
Yes,
Yeah, sure.
please. All right. Okay. Good. And now roll it. All right. Okay. So roll it back, please.
Roll it back?
Yeah. Just flip
Oh,
this. No.
On like this?
Yes, like that. Thank you.
Aku pengen nutupin, cuman nggak bisa. Aku benar berserah aja.
Hi. How are you? Good. All right. Over. Oh. Okay. Very nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's good. Jeffrey. All right. You good? And we'll flip. Okay. Very good. Thank you. Yeah. All right.
Halo Chef, halo Profesor.
All right.
Profesor Kalkin dan judges nyamperin aku deg-degan banget, takut gagal dan membuat kesalahan.
Go like this. Thank you. Very good. All right.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. This is hard. All right. You have two knives. Which knife did you use?
Ini apa ini?
Both?
Yes.
Why did you change knives?
Yang kecil buat bersihin, yang kecil-kecil gitu, Chef.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Good. Hi there. Are you nervous?
Oh, very nice.
All right. I'm sorry about that. Next, you can turn. All right. Very good. Okay.
Aku nengok kanan kiri, kayaknya trimingan aku cukup rapi dan tegas. Jadi harusnya kayaknya aku lolos.
All right. Good. Thank you.
Okay.
Hi. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Chef.
That's good. Hi there. Nice warm day for us to do this, right? Can you turn that over, please? Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's good. Start there. Then you can reverse. Thank you. All right. Okay.